Good day. Today, I will show you how you can access the Doctor Portal and explore the task list feature. Let's start with accessing the task module. Log into the PatientXpress Doctor Portal. Then navigate to the dashboard and look for the Tasks tab, sometimes also under Doctor Tools or Patient Management. Once inside the Task tab, you will then see two categories, My Tasks and Users Tasks. The My Tasks are items assigned to the logged-in user, and the Users Tasks are shared and to view the tasks of other team members or users across the clinic and user group. User-specific tasks linked to an individual user, visible from within their record. These help you quickly identify the stage of each task. At the top right of the dashboard, red circle updated, task was modified after being viewed, new comments/changes. Blue circle new, task created, not opened yet. Black large square viewed, task open/red but still pending. Green square completed, task finished and marked as complete. There is also a task status filter or drop-down located on the right-hand side. Show all button. This include everything. New and viewed button. These are pending work. New button. These are unread tasks. Viewed button. These are read but not done. Completed button. These are finished tasks. Recover archived button. This is used to bring back hidden/old tasks. And that is it. This is how the PX Doctor Portal works on the Tasks features. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.